Welcome to Alpha Knowledge. Today I am going to share how to generate extra cash every month with blog. Please watch the full video so you can have better knowledge about blogging. If you watch this full video, you can easily start your career as a blogger and start earning. Let's begin. If you're a newbie with a burning desire of learning more about making money with your blog, pay close attention. Note, believe it or not, making money with your blog is free. Yes, making money with your blog does not require you to buy domain names nor order web hosting to host websites. While making money with your blog is not easy, it's free and requires you take into consideration some suggestions and apply a few quick tips. This video reveals little-known secrets about making money with your blog, secrets that just a few people know. Want to join the elite of top blog earners? Here are the nitty-gritty tips on how to make money with blogs. First of all, you need to visit blogger.com and set up your free account. The steps are easy. 1. You create a Blogger account. 2. You name your blog. 3. You chose a blog template. Secondly, you are going to decide on how you want to monetize your blog. If you don't have your own product, you should go about picking 1, 2 or 3 top affiliate products or services. These affiliate products or services need to be 100% related to your blog niche if you want to get maximum results from your promotions. I give you a hint here, you get to generate more affiliate sales if the affiliate product you recommend is highly targeted to a specific audience. In fact, the success rate of closing the sale depends on how precise you can target your market. One of the best affiliate program directories can be found at associateprograms.com. Here you get free access to thousands of pages of affiliate programs, useful tips, money-making articles, researched recommendations, and a helpful affiliate forum. Besides affiliate programs, you can also monetize your blog by applying for Google AdSense program. You can get full info about this service here. google.adsense.com. The beauty of this program is that you get paid a percentage every time someone clicks on an AdSense ad from your blog. Making money with affiliate programs require you to actively promote the affiliate product, and you only get paid when you generate a real sale, and not just a click. AdSense is the lazy way to making money with your blog. After you decide which income stream you want to go after, I suggest you go with both affiliate products and Google AdSense. You need to take into consideration this. Final tip, regardless your blog niche, if you want to make real money with blogs, you should copycat top blog experts into your field. You need to spy on your competitors and find out how and why they are successful. Try to contact them and ask them to share with you some tips about building a successful money-making blog. Most will gladly help you with some quick tips. You'll never know when that secret tip will make you a top blog earner and well-known expert into your field. It's not that hard to find blog expert or spy on your competition. In fact, here's how you can quickly and easily find blog competitors. 1. Go at google.com. 2. Type into the search bar your niche topic plus blog. I'm sure you get the picture. Once you find some listings, go and browse the related websites that fits your blog niche. Make a list with top 10 blogs that you'd want to model. 3. Contact each owner of those 10 blogs and ask for help. You don't have to be shy. Ask any question that comes into your mind. Ask your most burning questions. I highly suggest that you do not ask more than 3 quick questions. Most people don't have time to write long emails. You'd want to keep your first email quick and to the point. In conclusion, if you put these quick blog money-making tips into practice, you too can become a top blog earner. That's the only way to do it. Take action now. Thanks for watching the video. In my next video I will be sharing how you can start affiliate marketing and can make $500 to $1,000 easily each month. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also press the bell icon so you can get our next video's notification immediately.